The house moving officially starts. And we discovered at some point in the night, we have been burgled. So yeah, this is our centre. Good evening! Welcome back to our channel for another week of vlogging. The house moving officially starts. Well, it started the other day, but we're continuing.
So that's wrong.
I know, but
I don't know how many it is.
we have had a rather large delivery today, as you can see in front of you. These two very big boxes on the floor.
Help!
It's a good job we've got a skip arriving tomorrow.
Help me!
Quick!
You're useless.
What are you trying to... I've got a...
No, the other way. I need to put it towards you.
Oh, right.
No, on the big
Oh, I don't understand.
God's sake!
I don't know what's being requested of you. Me.
It needs to be stood on that bit that you're kicking.
I need to be stood on.
No, it does.
Oh, what? Wait. What? Oh, you need to lift it up.
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you just say so? There we go. Easy. Easy, easy.
Alfie, don't eat it.
So yes, these two large boxes. We're gonna have so much rubbish.
You ordered this to skip?
Yeah, it's coming tomorrow, thankfully. So
This will fill it.
yeah. So we've ordered a new parrot cage. You excited, guys? Woo! They're probably not gonna be excited. They're probably gonna be scared of it, to be fair. But the new house, like downstairs, space is a bit limited, so we decided.
It's just not as easy to fit two massive parrot cages.
So it's limited. So we've ordered a cage that's like two cages on top of each other rather than having two at the side. So we need to try and build that now for a busy day tomorrow. Get them used to it, and then we can sell their old cages.
And take the other one to business.
Get a nice new house, guys, and a nice new cage. We're getting there.
They're a bit big.
I know. I've got to go on top of this one, yeah.
I don't know how.
I know. That's going to be fun. I'm quite proud of myself. I managed to do the latches on the door and on the food door. I'm not much of a DIY guy, but I don't know. Maybe there's a new career in me. On to door 2.
2 hours later.
2 hours later, it's done. It's a bit big, Emma. And we just realised, so we built it. We just thought, like, we don't even know how we're going to get it in place. I can't even get through. Don't know how we're going to get it in place, because like, over there's not much room between the table and the sideboard. And the table's like the heaviest thing ever.
The parrot's actually in it.
Oh yeah, that's going to be... Yeah. Especially when we've been banging about, but we'll find out tomorrow.
Also, we ain't got it together properly. The main point of this was to be able to take it apart. And...
It's literally the worst thing ever to take apart. Well, it wasn't the main reason we got it is because it's just better for the new house, but we was hoping that it was easily going to be taken up, like you could take it in half.
It's so heavy.
So we could transport it whenever we go on holiday, but you can't really. Well, you can, but it's going to be an absolute ball ache. Oh, you best like this, guys.
One in.
Yay.
Now for the Alfie, come here.
Wasn't very easy. Oh, now for the next job. We've got to tackle the parrot room. So no, we need to try and take down the big, the very big cage, because that big cage is going to Mansfield Doggy Daycare with us, so the parrots can join us at work every day. I'm sure they'll love that. So yes, we need to take this beast down. Oh, one sec. We have light. Yes, we need to take that beast down.
I don't know how.
I don't know how you got it together, to be honest. Literally, when this was delivered, the delivery man was like, "Have you got a tiger?" Because it's so big. Oh, what does it matter? Tired, ligon, orange, I mean tomato, whatever, potato. Who says potato? Oh, let's tackle this. Ah!
How did it not get you?
I nearly died. It's a bit messy in here, we need to clean it as well. Parrot
What did you
food.
do when the
Parrot food everywhere. Yeah, we can. Oh my god, I bet it's so bad underneath that parrot cage.
It's so dusty.
I don't even think about it.
The floor is gross. It's like
I'm going in.
feathers and dust under there. We haven't ever had this out in how long? It's like,
Oh, what is happening on the
only
floor?
feathers and dust.
Oh, I'm going in. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh my god. Yeah, feathers and dust and food. That was just thrown. Ah. And a parrot. No. Ah.
I'm doing well.
We're halfway there. We're getting there.
The roof's off. One of the sides are off.
Yeah, we can do this.
No, don't quite pour at it. It's not stuck.
He's doing it. I can't save it. Can't save it.
I'm gonna go in with him. Until he's dry.
Ah, I'm here. Look, I can get you. Look, I'm here. Ah, I'm not in prison.
It's not in a cage.
I'm not stuck.
Next morning.
Morning. Saturday. Oh, what are you breaking?
Where's a leaf?
It's Saturday, which also means it's Christmas for us. It's going to confuse you a little bit, but yeah, so we're having a very early Christmas day. Eh?
It's not a very good Christmas day.
Oh, it's an absolute nightmare. So my family are going to Spain for Christmas, so we're having one a couple of weeks early. Although actually when this airs, it'll only be a few days early for you, so it's quite, you know, good timing. But anyway, yeah, so today is the 14th of December for us. You're obviously a week behind. And we're having an early Christmas day with some family. And it's got off to the most ridiculous start we've ever known. So yeah, we have woke up today and we literally have a billion things happening. It's the most unbelievable day I think we've like ever had. We are currently walking down to Emma's work. She's left the car there overnight because she went on a Christmas meal last night after work, so just walking down to fetch it. We found Bruce in the car park. Good old Bruce. That's the name of the car, by the way. Yeah, we discovered this morning when we first woke up. Well, first of all, I felt a bit under the weather, which is... well, I do. Which I'm going to be fuming if I'm going to be ill, because I've been around ill people, so... Me too. If I've caught it... Yeah, when we've got so much happening, it's not the time to be ill. So, that's one thing. But, so yeah, I woke up like that. Alfie's got to go to the vets again, you know, once again today, because he's got a high temperature.
And he was bleeding from his...
He's bleeding from his pee-pee.
We think he's got a urinary infection.
Yeah, potentially. So he's got to go back to the vets today. I'd love just 1 week where you don't have to go to the vets. It would be nice, wouldn't it?
It's alright, it's for my bank balance that's non-existent.
I know, but I'm on about for Alfie's sake as well. It's just, bless him, he's not having much luck, is he? Well, I'm not surprised. He's there every week, and every time they're doing something.
3 days since his last lot of antibiotics.
Yeah.
You've got that core on him permanently.
Yeah, so he's back to the vets later on. Oh, so it was all of that, and we discovered at some point in the night, we have been burgled. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. It's actually done us a little favour, but it's very weird. So on the back garden, you've probably seen it on some other vlogs, to be fair. We've got some. We took the old fridge out, which was inside some built-in units. So there's an old fridge out there and some wooden units that are literally worth nothing. I'm sure they're worth nothing, surely.
It's just some wooden, long wood piece of wood.
Long pieces of wood. And it turns out that some of that has been stolen in the night.
And we took it apart. It was like a cube before, like a unit shape.
So it had to be broken, didn't it? Because you couldn't. It was so big. It was all in a cube.
Taking it all out, taking like 1 or 2 pieces maximum.
Yeah. Well, you think about that. If they're just on foot, they're not going to have to carry it more than 2 pieces, are they? Really? So.
But I was saying I did hear a noise about 5 AM, like something that sounded like it was banging, and I was like, well, that's weird. And I looked on the camera because I thought someone was in the house, and the dogs were just fast asleep on the sofa. So I was like, well, obviously nothing's going on because they normally go crazy. My only theory is Alfred's poorly. He didn't even want to get up to see me in the morning, so
that's probably why he didn't.
Abby was like, well, Alfie's don't care, so
Yeah.
it must be nothing.
Yeah, so it's very bizarre. They don't really react to anything, don't they? So the fact that they didn't, but it woke you up, so it must have been loud. And to break it, you'd have to hit it quite hard. Like it would make a loud noise. So putting two and two
together. I was trying to
together.
figure out how we could break it.
Yeah.
Well, that was my problem.
Apart from being violent with it, really. Anyway, so we're just at the unit now for the business, for the Mansfield Dog and Daycare. So we've got someone coming in to do a quote. Because obviously we need to get a lot of work done on it. So we need like partitioning walls put up and all sorts of things like that. So we're just coming up to the unit right now, just getting the keys out to unlock the gate. So our unit is out on the left. Yeah, it's all going to be cleaned up.
Parking's up above this hill.
So we're coming around the
And
back.
this bit to the left is where we're going to have the flat and have the
outdoor space for the dogs to play, especially in summer.
And that unit there could be ours in the future.
This whole land could be ours in the future.
Like therapy, grooming.
We've got plans to expand, you know, if our first business venture is successful, and we may acquire this whole land at some point and have a nice car park. So have a bit of. Hey?
Don't tell the person that already runs it.
Oh yeah, true. But yeah, we might have like a free run area and stuff, all sorts of stuff. Hydrotherapy pool for dogs, groomers, anything dog related. Would it be like a dog central park? This one, Dog Central Bark. What a name for the site.
Mine was Centre Barks and you didn't like that.
Yeah, but Central Bark.
Mine was the same
Like
thing.
no, yours
Centre Barks is better.
No, Central. No, it's like
No, mine's better.
Central
Let's do a
Perk.
vote.
Central Perk.
Vote in the comments below. Central Barks or Centre Barks?
Yes, Central Barks is the way forward.
Right,
Centre Barks is alright, but well, it's probably better than alright, but
see,
but it's like not all of it's. Well, I guess it's all kind of fun, isn't it?
yeah.
Centre Barks sounds like an activity. I guess it kind of is.
Exactly. You coming around to my idea yet?
Well, for the name of the site, maybe, yeah. It could
thank
be
you.
Centre Barks as a site, and then
Under that you have Mansfield Doggy Daycare.
Doggy Daycare,
Mansfield
Mansfield Hydrotherapy Centre,
Mansfield
Free Run
something
Centre,
Groomers.
Mansfield Groomer Centre.
Groomers.
Obviously better names than that. Anyway, let's stop talking bollocks and let's go and have a look at
So you
this.
come to my idea, yeah?
Well, yeah, maybe when we expand, yeah, I do like that.
Cool.
But if you do prefer Central Barks, like Central Perk,
that's shocking.
let us know. I'm trying to get a Friends theme, alright?
Do you think this place wants to play? Stop.
Well, it is technically, but not right now. So yes, this is the big room that we have titled, thanks to the landlord, Big Paws. So in here we are going to be putting up all sorts of different like partition, half partition walls. We will have different sections. So
We think it's going to be big dogs and puppies, depending on what we have on the day.
well, it's starting off all together. So at first we're having this one big room
Depends how we
for all the dogs until we get busier. So it'll be big dogs in one section, well, big and medium dogs in one section, small dogs in another section, and puppies in their own nice little cozy area. And we'll have some crates as well, like a downtown. We'll have play areas in like downtime areas as well, so they can get the rest. Obviously, we'll have members of staff in here all the time, so they'll be monitored and playing with them, etc. We've got outdoor, so doors to the outdoor where we will be putting artificial grass down and some and putting in some fencing, so they'll be able to, especially in the summer, they'll have sort of free area out there to enjoy outdoor space, and obviously that's where they'll also be taken for the toilet and things like that. Some will also be going on walks away from the centre, so when we've got our van, the Mansfield Doggy Daycare van, they will be taken off-site to different, well, walking areas and whatnot. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, they'll be going to different parks and things, which will be good, which will be great. Oh, hello, Alfie. So yeah, that's this room. It'll have all sorts of fun equipment as well. So if you've seen equipment on our garden, and obviously the other week we had that all aboard the Mansfield Doggy Daycare train, that'll be coming in as well. So with all sorts of fun play equipment, ball pools as well. Just amazing things for dogs, to be fair. So they'll have a wonderful or a woofable time right here. Get it? Oh, that was
Abby,
awesome.
don't you eat that spider.
That was awesome. Okay. So to the right here we have an isolation room, which is a requirement for our license. So if obviously any dog becomes ill or whatever, we've got this room here that will isolate them. Obviously, again, it'll all be kitted out. You're seeing it as a blank canvas at the moment.
It's a bit dark in it.
Where are we?
This is the computer room / storage.
Oh yeah, so this will be an office / storage. So for any admin that needs doing, this will be in here where we keep all the filing cabinets and stuff. Here will be my home. So in this corner we're going to be having a reception desk built. So that'll be going down here, around here is where Abby spend a lot of time with me when she's not playing. And it's where I'll welcome all our customers. We'll probably have a seating area over in that corner for when they wanted to register and fill out our forms and ask any questions, etc. Over here we'll have a shop. And Woody and Ruby, our African grey parrots, they'll be hanging about here.
Get Woody out of the cage again.
Yeah, oh, that's another story. That's another problem I've had. So we'll have a few items that customers can buy.
I don't know if I've done that.
And a coffee machine. We'll definitely have a hot chocolate machine somewhere.
Staff room needs a bit of.
So this is the room. Obviously, again, it's going to be changed quite a lot. New carpets and things. Just smells old, doesn't it? So because this was used as storage, so
We didn't originally know we had this room.
no, this is a bonus. This is an extra room that we've acquired. So this will be the staff room, nice sized, and it's away from the main room, so you'll have a bit of peace from the dogs, hopefully.
Well, it's right next to the small.
Yeah, when we're not using it. And also, if you walk through here to our final room.
This is storage.
Oh no, well, yeah, so this will just be a storage room. We'll keep all the loads of toys and whatnot and towels and stuff. And this is Little Paws, so this will be another room that we initially we're going to use for assessments. So every dog that comes to the centre will have to be assessed for their behaviour and things like that. And first of all, just to make sure that they're going to be safe with other dogs, but also just so we can match them and put them with sort of the right temperaments of other dogs and things like that, so they're all happy and comfortable and enjoying their stay. So we'll use it for assessments, but later on when we start getting busier and we get more staff, we will also kit this out and make this into the Little Paws. So probably
and the
have
door will open to an outside area.
oh yeah, so we'll have more outdoor area around here as well, so they, again, no matter what room they're in, they'll have access to outdoor space. So yeah, that'll be probably for small to medium, small dogs in the future when we start expanding a little bit. So yeah, this is our centre. Obviously you've seen it as a blank canvas, and we'll show you again properly when it's really looking good, when we've got everything done in there. But as you see, it's a lot of space to work with and a lot of potential, so we're just excited, but it's just hard work getting it all up and running, but we will get there. But yeah, we'll show you when it's all ready. What do you think, dogs? Excited?
To be continued.